Hi, my name is Sukrit Ghate and today we're going to do the Nifty daily analysis. So let's get started. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about certain levels that have been formed in the market, certain support areas, certain supply areas, or we also call it as resistance. And in today's market, if you've seen, the market has been going up quite a bit and then it's gone down and it's been all over the place, right? So we'll be looking at what is going to be happening. We'll see what levels the market is trying to play in between of, or what levels it's trying to break. That is the first thing. Second thing, we'll look at what kind of a trend the market is trying to set, or in the past what kind of a trend has been set. And the third thing is what kind of trades you can take, right? So let's just see what's happening, right? So firstly, I'd like to start off from this particular area, which is the month of 14 July, right? So July, I'm just taking it as a reference. We can go a little below that also. So let's go to June. So 28th June to all the way 19th August. This is, yeah, 19th August. If you see, even to a naked eye, you can say the market has been going up. So from July to August, the market has been going up. And what do you mean by it's going up? When the market is going up, it's very simple. So I'll just write this down for you. When the market is going up, it's forming higher highs and higher lows. So what does this mean? You basically see that the highest points that the market is making, for example this and this and this, and the lows that it's making, for example this one, then this one, this one, this one, this one. As you see, the market doesn't just go up like a vertical. It goes up like this, comes down, goes up like this, comes down, goes up, comes down, and that's how the market has been known to be going up previously in the full history of the market. And also in the future is definitely be it's going to react the same way, right? And these are a few small things that you as a trader would notice when you start taking trades or when you start analyzing the market regularly. So I'll just delete all of this. So from the month of July till the month of August, sorry, this was the month of, let me just check once. This was from the month of June, my bad. From June till August, the market has been something known as uptrending. So you must have heard of this. The market was uptrending, right? Went up here, came down a little, went up, came down a little, went up, come down, probably will go up, probably go down. So we don't know. We'll look at levels, we'll see what's happening, and we'll see what kind of levels are being formed. So for now, you can see the market from this point to this point is uptrending. That is done. Simple, right? The next thing is I would like to show you the levels that are formed, right? So there are certain resistance levels and there are certain support levels, but we'll only be looking at the most important ones, the latest ones, with the data that is occurred right now. Right? So latest data is what we're analyzing. We don't get into analysis of too much of history because we also need to know what's going to happen in the future. So for that you need recent stuff that has happened, recent data. So let's just get started and see what kind of levels I'll show you the levels that I see with my naked eye without too much hassle. So this is the first level that I would like to mark. This is known as the supply. right? And what happens in supply level when the price is going to this area, the market tends to fall, right? I'll tell you why. I'll mark another level and then you'll understand why I'm trying to say that. Next thing is the demand. So as you know, any market in the world works on two things: demand and supply. And there are two kinds of people in the market: buyers and sellers. So we are sometimes buyers, we are sometimes sellers when you are trading in the market, right? And these are the levels that help us determine what we are going to be. Are we going to be buyers or are we going to be sellers? So I would just show you this particular level and talk about that, but I also wanted to show you the level which is the demand level. It had gotten formed a while back and the market took support from there. So I would also like to talk about this level. So firstly, this is the supply level, right? Also known as resistance. This is the demand level, also known as support. So in this supply level, what I see is the market has tried to come here maybe once. This was the big candle that was formed, which went and tried to get into the supply level, and it, tried to fall, but that didn't really happen, right? Then as you see, the market still hasn't come to this level inside the supply, and this is on the daily chart. We also look at different time frames of chart. So there is daily, there is hourly, there is minutes, like 15 minutes, 30 minutes that we look at. So mainly on the daily chart, as you see, there is nothing that's very prominent, or prominent in the sense nothing that is trying to get into the supply zone. So in the coming days, the market can try to go into this particular zone, and when that happens, it's going to slowly fall, or maybe fall very vigorously, try to take support here in this level. That is one possible outcome. The second outcome can also be, this is the first one. Second outcome can also be that the level goes all the way here, goes up, plays around, goes up. So there are variations of that, or it can just this is the second one. The third one can just be that it went into the level and then just fell a little, broke the level and went up. So that is also an outcome of all those situations, all the data that we have, all the things that we can see. That is also possible. So let me just erase all of this. What I would like to show you, especially quite interesting, is that this particular demand level, right? The market has been taking support from it. So this was the first time, this particular red candle, this was the first time the market took support here. As you see, this level is also known as a rally base rally. So this was the rally candle, one candle basing and then again a rally candle. So the market took a small support here and then it went up and then fell down. And as you see, the second time also it's come into this level, went up again. So what I can tell you from this is that this particular demand zone holds a lot of strength. And what that means is the next time it comes here, it probably will go up from here. The market might come again into this level, maybe a little deeper, and then go up again. So yeah, there is a lot of strength in this zone. That is one thing I can definitely tell you. But what do you do now as a trader? What do you do? I would suggest wait it out and wait for it to come into this supply zone. because when it comes into this supply zone is also again a prominent one. You can see there is a nice leg out candle. There is a nice red candle formed again, so you can tell that there are a lot of sellers sitting in this particular zone, and you be with them. So if the market comes into this zone, just short the market, right? I would tell you to short maybe 18,000 calls, or you can just buy puts 17,200 uh, puts you can buy. So there are various things that you can do, but as of now, what I would tell you is wait it out, right? Because this particular zone, the supply zone, is going to be a nice resistance, but you also have to time your trades, because when you're trading in the stock market, not only is the money important, there is something that is really, really more important, and that is time. So, money and time holds value in the market, so you gotta time your trades. So, for now, wait it out, don't rush into anything, and keep keep it simple. Let it go into the zone and then try to take some trades. So for today, this was the analysis. Thank you so much. Take care.